Oh man, we got some pretty crazy shit going on this morning. It is 2010's Blizzard of the Year. What time is it? 6:01 a.m. I'm taking my new HD camera out for a spin to check out and see just how good it's gonna be. But first thing I need my shovel. Where's my shovel? Come here. Okay. There we go. Close this up. Got the keys. Okay. Whoa. Door's been open. How long? I don't know. Isn't that just fantastic? Close it up. And you son of a bitch. Come on. It's not like my back doesn't hurt enough already. Okay. Here we go. Down the steps. Amici. Let's take a look outside. Merry Christmas. Holy shit. It is all just the blizzard right now. Oh man. Let's see. Let's go in through this way. Gotta go down these steps instead. Hear that? Doesn't sound too... Whoa. Okay. I think I came through here before. Let's see. Put the face mask on. Hood on. And then let's get it on. Oh. Kinda stuck. Oh, there we go. That is just about up to my face. And everything else seems to be cool. I guess the wind must have just blew it straight up. As you can see, that's the top of the thing and that's the top of the snow. So, as you can tell, it's pretty damn high. So let's try to make it through here. You don't gotta worry about anybody stealing your car because they're not gonna get too far. All I can say is it better be a snow day today. I don't know how anyone's gonna get to work. Oh, it's so windy. I turned her on. She's nice and quiet. Maybe she might have stalled out. Yeah, boy. How you doing? Get ready to roll. There goes my baby. Down the line. So as you can see, this side is worse than the other side. Let me take you a little. Yeah, you left that on. That worked out pretty good. Gotta clean the car. This is the best. Oh, look at that. Yep. I'm not even gonna worry about the ice on the window, because that should melt. Motherfucker! Oh, I do have to worry about is digging this motherfucker out of here. Oh. I don't gotta worry about cutting you an air hole. Okay, now. If I could, I would like to set this up so that it could video. I wanted to video me taking all this shit off of the car, off the side and stuff. But I don't think we're gonna get that lucky, guys. I don't think they're gonna be able to watch me do the hard part. So once again, 2010, December 28th, Monday morning. It is the best snowstorm in 5 years. Check this out. That is up to my fucking forehead. Look at this. Look at these guys. How was it coming in?
Okay.
Oh, it was okay with the truck? Oh, just over here sucks.
Yeah.
You're on video camera. Say hi.
Hi. Good morning, JJ.
I'm the newsman.
Oh, yeah?
How's everything?
What channel you work for?
Channel 1. See you later. Oh, you have to see it. All the doors are blocked. This sucks. So it's not that bad, right?
No.
It's not bad.
It's not, the highway is not bad. The streets are shit.
The streets are fucked up.
Yeah.
You hear that, ladies and gentlemen? The streets are fucked up. Oh, man. You heard it first. He needed a truck to get here. Right there. Oh, man. And I tell you, look at that, up to the door. All the way up to the fucking top. Look at this. You can see it blowing around. You can see. You can see it just insane, man. Oh, well. From Mount Vernon 2010. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I'm back. We're gonna try to use my shoe to hold the camera so you could catch a little action here. Hopefully see everything. So far, so good. I think. What to do right here now for a little bit. I'll try to get all. Oh, God. Close these windows. Yeah. Oh. No, we don't want to be stuck. Oh, shit. Blowing hard. Son of a bitch. Oh. is. Oh man. Let's put your ass. Put the camera in the face. Oh no. So here's the car. You've already seen. He just missed a pretty good blow storm. Oh shit. I'm kind of stuck here now. Okay, I just wanted to show you the deal. I'll be back. Bye. Oh my god, I'm debating on walking my ass to the gym right now after I just cleaned out that car. Oh my god, it's not even plowed. This is my backyard. It is completely up to your neck with snow. Well, I'm not kidding, your ankles. It's up to your ankles with snow. Look at the cars. I got my ski mask on, I gotta climb this motherfucking... Look at this car. Look. You can't even see it. I gotta climb this fucking mountain right now. Anybody got a snowboard? We could practice on our advanced bunny slope. The magic carpet, everybody. Look at this. That's my shadow. So as you can tell, it's much taller than me. So I'm gonna have to... Oh shit, oh shit. If you can see that, that's how deep I'm in. That's the railing. That's the railing. And that is how fucking high it is. Great. Just great. I would say we got a good... Holy shit, look. Can you see this? It's up to my fucking ball sack. You know what a ball sack is, everybody? Well, it's up to there. Fuck. Okay, I'll let you guys see what I see. Oh, come on. Get up there. Thank God I wore boots today. Oh, making my way. Then I wore big socks too. Very lucky. Very lucky. Oh, look like sand. See that? Same thing with the same way like the sand dunes look like in Egypt. That's exactly what it looks like here. The wind just blew it around last night. How cool is that? That's awesome. Okay, let's go. Oh God. Oh my God. Okay. Well, we made it to civilization. There's Mobile. The light is green. All you smell right now, for all you people who can't smell, all you smell is straight up burnt tire rubber from all the cars. Wah! Dude, there's no sidewalk whatsoever. I'm walking in the fucking street. Oh God. Oh shit. Oh, look at that. Cars are actually... No, they're stuck. These fucking cars are done. Oh. Look at this guy. Stuck as shit. Brother. Oh my God. Well, if we could make it on the street, it'd be okay. What's up, man? That's only gonna be closed. Oh, that's why you're gonna love coming out here. The only people that are out here are wackos like me. Look at this, I don't know what we're coming up on, but it looks like a major catastrophe. I'm not even gonna try to drive. Look at these people, you think they're fucked? Yeah, they're fucked. Yeah, they're basically fucked. Let's get a little bag shot. Look at this. This guy's coming at me with no brakes. Holy shit, I'm going this way. Fuck that. Look at these cars. It is nuts. If you don't have a truck, I would just forget about it. Truck. Let's count the trucks versus the cars. They were doing about 5 miles an hour. The guy has the radio on, he's pumping Biggie. Biggie Smalls, you're sick. That little fucking sports car with 4 doors. He's in a Ford DSC, the 4-door sports car down Brownington Avenue. Yeah, not crazy. Look at this guy. He's not happy. He's not happy. Oh man. These guys are all ready to go. Here goes Sal's truck. He's ready to go. He's got his plow on. He's ready to make a few thousand. I'll get out of the way right here. Look at that. Dude's not down. Holy shit. Look at this car right here. How long do you think it's going to take him to get out? A few days? A few hours? Truck. You know the bad part? My shoe got untied just now. I'm gonna have to literally untie my shoe. I know what's coming up this block. Okay, let me tie this. Let me see. Actually, it's not untied. It just feels untied. Oh man. Okay. There goes Davis School. There's the flag. Let's see if you can see the flag. Just blowing in the wind. Yep. I would say this is probably one of the best blizzards. This is definitely one of the, whoa, look at that. Whoa! I got fucking smashed with shit. These the cars coming up with the lights. That shit, there was lights on me, and I got like good morning. Oh, this guy's like, I'm not going in there. He's backing up. He's trying to come up the. Front wheel drive. Wow. What is that? It's not a, whatever it is, he's making it. And if you're making it, then it's all good. I'll take a fucking half a day. Here comes this guy. Look at this. The little, holy shit, the little Matrix. Little Matrix boogie woogie in. Wow. Well, I think I'm gonna let you guys go. As you can tell, it's been a pretty fun day of morning. It's been a good morning of snow and fun and digging. Definitely gonna have a interesting day today. Like if you're this guy, you're fucked. You're not getting out. You can't go to work. This guy, stay home and make a gingerbread house, bro. You're done. Don't even waste your time. Especially if it's a girl. I might break a nail. Get the fuck out of here. Okay. See you later. I'm going to the gym. I'll get back to you at the gym when I'm finally there. I'll come back and say, what's up, bitches? What's up, bitches? 2010, the circle, approaching the circle, people coming up. Okay, I'll come back to you later. Well, as you can see, there ain't a fucking soul here. It is deader than fucking dead. There's nobody anywhere. Just me and like one other dude. Well, enter weight. 5 million pounds. Enter weight. 225 million pounds. Stop kidding. Okay, I put my shoes here because I wasn't about to drag them around. Got my little Volkswagen coat from back in the day. Put that on my head. Sup, son? What's your heart rate? What's your heart rate? I don't know. What's your heart rate? Whoa, heart rate. Bitch ass. Oh, give me this. Oh, what time is it? Looks packed out there. That guy doesn't look happy. Good morning. Do you like the snow? Yes, I love it. She likes it. Okay, I told you I'd call you back when I came into the gym, and you saw it. I'm the only one here. Oh, this is the blizzard. I just left the gym, and this is what it's like trying to leave. You can't get over. The sidewalk is completely... Yeah. There we go. And look at that. This is Gramerton Avenue. Completely jammed up. Frank's. It is completely jammed, man. That's where the old cafe was. It's just a parking lot now. Oh, man. Westchester Community College. It's just a mess right now. Only thing out here on the streets are car trucks. Look at this big motherfucker. He's in a fucking Caterpillar. What? Holy shit. Hope you're not trying to drive home. Don't be trying to drive, man. Yeah, I don't see any too many cars doing well today. It's all trucks. Trucks. Oh man. I'll hook you up. You can see the circle from here. That's the circle right there. Is the soldier. I'll get back to you in a second. They took Columbus School and turned it into Nelson Mandela. Don't ask me why. I don't know. This is Hartley Park. Completely covered. Sun just flapping in the wind. Oh, and now we're approaching the circle. Wait till you see this circle. I don't know. But, I'm going into the circle. Alright. Here we are in the circle. There's the man you wanted to see. He's enjoying the snowstorm. His circle has been kind of you know, twisted, but here is his circle. Pretty good right now. I'm gonna try to go ahead and make it through. You got Lincoln Avenue down there, you got Gramerton Avenue up here, and there he is, just pimping with his gun. Hallelujah. 300 Gramerton. Shit's crazy. This guy's still walking backwards. Why is he walking backwards? Well, you've seen it for the second time. School zone. Now I'm about to climb back up the hill that I walked down before. I gotta climb it all the way back again. Oh, once again, this is me saying Merry Christmas. Here comes the car right now. Alright, bye. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Holy shit. That's what it's all about. It's all about freedom and taking the bus in a snowstorm. Yeah. See all these fuckers? I'll tell you one thing. Everybody with a fucking plow right now probably has the biggest part on. Yeah! We're gonna make some fucking money! Yeah! Look at this guy. Everybody's fucked. Look at these guys. Look at all these guys. They're all just trying to dig each other out. The documentary, the major documentary. Look at this car. What time do you think he'll be at work today? I think this guy will get to work around, like, I don't know, 9:30. It'll only be a half hour late, I think. Hello. See? Nice truck. Better have a truck. Hello. Oh, you know what the worst part is? I don't have any like boots for work. I got beautiful, like Banana Republic shoes. Those are gonna go over well. Yeah. Hey, look, there's a little traction. We're starting to get a little bit of traction. Starting to get a little bit of traction. That guy's gonna have a lot of traction when he wakes up. This guy too, he's gonna pull right out. That Escalade, yeah. Everybody here is fucked. Even these guys with a nice parking spot, they still can't get over that hump. They have a nice spot. They can't get out because they can't get over this. No way. I wonder if the sidewalks are going to walk on here. Let's see. Okay. Stop. Ugh. It's just that blizzard of the year. This is it. This is the blizzard we all love to talk about. How much was gas in 2010? $3.45 over here. And I think that's $3.55 down there. So we're getting raped pretty good? Yeah. I'd say so. Oh yeah. That was my little tree trunk I was on. That's exactly what we should be doing right now. We should all take the Metro North. Okay? Metro North. 415. Well, I know living in Mount Vernon's cool. Living in Mount Vernon is cool because we can get a full tank of gas and wash our underwear. Look. Got my wash, laundromat, and Citgo all in one. Got a cup of coffee and everything. Uh-oh. Who's calling me? Carlovito. It's Carlovito. Hello? Hey, what's up? No, I can't get out of your arm. I went to the... Wait a minute, where are you? Oh, I dug myself out. It's like 800 feet of snow. And, I went to the gym, worked out. The whole Gramerton Avenue stinks of burnt rubber because everyone's stuck. The fuck? All you see is people burning out, twisting their shit up. People, trucks, there's trucks. A fucking Ford Explorer stuck right now on Gramerton. Oh yeah, you gotta, you might have to have it delivered, my friend.